Extra virgin olive oil stands as one of nature's most remarkable health-promoting substances, offering an impressive array of benefits that extend far beyond its culinary uses. This golden liquid, a cornerstone of Mediterranean cuisine, packs a powerful punch when it comes to supporting overall wellness and longevity. The transformation it can bring to your health makes it worth understanding in detail. At its core, extra virgin olive oil contains a remarkable concentration of antioxidants, compounds that wage war against harmful free radicals in our bodies. These free radicals, left unchecked, can accelerate aging and cause cellular damage. The antioxidants in olive oil serve as protective shields, helping to maintain cellular health and slow down the aging process. This protection extends to multiple body systems, making it a valuable addition to any health-conscious diet. The oil's fat composition sets it apart from other cooking oils. It's predominantly made up of monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid, which has been shown to positively impact heart health. These healthy fats work to reduce levels of LDL, often called bad cholesterol, while maintaining or even increasing HDL, the good cholesterol, creating a more favorable lipid profile for cardiovascular health. This beneficial fat profile makes olive oil an excellent replacement for less healthy cooking fats and oils. The anti-inflammatory properties of extra virgin olive oil deserve special attention. Chronic inflammation underlies many modern diseases, from arthritis to heart disease. Regular consumption of olive oil can help combat this inflammation naturally. Studies have shown that the compounds in olive oil work similarly to anti-inflammatory medications, but without the potential side effects. This makes it particularly valuable for those managing chronic inflammatory conditions or seeking preventive health measures. Perhaps one of the most exciting areas of research involves olive oil's impact on brain health. Scientific studies have demonstrated its potential to protect against cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. The antioxidants in olive oil appear to help maintain brain function and may even reduce the risk of conditions like Alzheimer's disease as we age. This cognitive protection becomes increasingly important as our global population ages and seeks ways to maintain mental acuity. The Mediterranean diet, which features olive oil as a primary fat source, has been extensively studied for its health benefits. People following this dietary pattern consistently show lower rates of chronic diseases and often enjoy longer lifespans. A simple drizzle of olive oil on salads, vegetables, or whole grain bread can help incorporate these benefits into daily meals. The versatility of olive oil makes it easy to include in various dishes, from morning to evening meals. Implementation is straightforward. Start with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil daily. This can be easily achieved by using it as a salad dressing, a bread dip, or a finishing oil for cooked dishes. The key is consistency and choosing high-quality, genuine extra virgin olive oil, which offers the highest concentration of beneficial compounds. When selecting olive oil, look for dark bottles and extra virgin designation, as these indicate better quality and preservation of beneficial compounds. The practical applications of olive oil in daily cooking are numerous. It can be used to sauté vegetables as a base for marinades or drizzled over finished dishes for added flavor and nutrition. Its rich, complex flavor profile enhances the taste of foods while delivering its health benefits. When used in cooking, it's best to keep temperatures moderate to preserve its beneficial compounds. This ancient food has stood the test of time, and modern science continues to uncover new reasons why it deserves a place in our daily diet. From supporting heart health to protecting brain function, reducing inflammation to fighting aging, extra virgin olive oil proves itself to be much more than just a cooking oil. It's a vital tool for maintaining and improving health. The evidence supporting its benefits continues to grow, making it an increasingly important component of a healthy lifestyle. Regular consumption of extra virgin olive oil represents a simple yet powerful way to invest in long-term health. Its combination of antioxidants, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory compounds creates a synergistic effect that supports multiple aspects of health simultaneously. By making it a daily part of your diet, you're not just following a trend. You're embracing a time-tested, scientifically proven path to better health.